This is the wise owl to come at you from the sea where I live. I'm making videos again. I'm continuing my videos again on the medical terminology and chemical symbols and atomic numbers from the periodic table of elements. How you can combine both studies together. You can study the medical terminology and abbreviations together with atomic numbers and chemical symbols from the periodic table of elements together. You can do it. And to prove it, I want to start right now in this video with the terminology ischium, ischio. It's really ischi, but then you have an O in the parentheses for O. So you got ischi, then you got ischio, which is how it really is when you make up words. Ischio means ischium or ischium. Okay? Now there's two ways to pronounce this. Now people are going to say, "Oh no, it's not. There's only one way to pronounce it." No, it's not. You got ischium, and you got ischio. Okay, by here ischio goes together with this here, but you find it pronounced both ways, depending who's saying it and why. I'm telling you. I take my word for it. Okay, don't correct people when they say one way, you say the other, because both ways are correct. You got ischium and you got ischium. Okay, because the CI. Can also have the key sound. All right. Okay. If you study the Latin, Italian language, you know that. Okay. All right. Yes, it means ischium or ischium. And if you take the capital I from ischium, that's 53 for iodine. And you got capital S and a small c, 21 for Scandium. Scandium. No, Scandium, for Scandium. Scandium. What's wrong with me? From Scandium. And you got capital H for hydrogen, number 1 atomic number. I again, 53 atomic number for iodine. And O, 8 for oxygen. O. Now, how do you spell Scandium? Right here, capital SCANDIUM. Scandium. That's 21 atomic number. I'm going to write all this down to the description box below. Okay, so if you can study this video, but you can also study the description box below, and we're going to review all this. Okay? All right. Then we got Ilio. I-L-I-O. Ilio, which means ilium. Now, we're talking about the lower part of the body. Ilium and ischium, okay? It's the lower part of the body, not the top part. It's around the hip area, around the upper legs and stuff like that. Just go to your anatomy books, and you'll see ischium, and you'll see ilium all written down right there, okay? The area. So if you're looking for what it means, that's what it means. You go to that area, and you see all these terminologies in the anatomy. Look at the skeleton, okay? And go to the area of the pelvic, and the upper legs and everything, and you see all these technology around that area, all these words. All right. Okay, so you got Ilio, which means ilium. I-L-U. No, I'm sorry. I-L-I-U-M. Ilium. Okay. Now I took that word Ilio and I cut it down. Capital I, 53 for iodine. Capital L-I is 3 atomic number for lithium, and 8 atomic number for O, capital O for oxygen. Now lithium is spelled capital L-I-T-H-I-U-M, lithium. Number 3 on the periodic table. Okay. Then we got Pubo, capital P-U-B-O. Okay, Pubo. Okay. Now, there's Pubo and Pubo. In this case, the way to pronounce this is Pubo. Pubo. Okay? Some people may pronounce it Pubo, but it's Pubo. Okay? Because it means pubic. And again, it means pubis and pubic. Both ways. You can put a C or you can put an S. But in this case, I'm going to use pubis. Okay? With the S. But as you go down more, if you go to later on, I'll get to the other pronunciation of it with the C. Right now, we do the S, pubis. Okay. Now Pubo means pubis, P-U BIS. Okay, now we got a capital P and a small u, and that's 95, and that's for plutonium. Plutonium, capital Plutonium, plutonium. Okay, and that's 94 in the periodic table of elements. You got capital B for boron, and that's number 5 in the periodic table of elements, and that's spelled capital B O R O N. Go to the description box below, and all this will be written down in the description box below. Trust me. And then we got O, oxygen. Again, we got 8 atomic number for oxygen, and we got Pubo. Remember, capital P U and a small u is 94 for plutonium. Okay. Then we got Chiro. Okay. Some people may pronounce this Chiro, but it's really pronounced Chiro. Okay. Or Chi. Don't you have an O here, right? For the Chiro, that's the hand. If you study palmistry, you know that's called chiromancy. This the reading of the palm of the hands to tell the future by reading the palms of the hand. Chiromancy, another word for palmistry. It means hand. Chiro, Chiro, means a hand, and that's what it means here in medical terminology, hand. And we got the C for carbon. Capital C, 6 atomic number. Capital H for hydrogen, 1 atomic number. And capital I and a small r, and 77 atomic number for iridium. We'll just spell capital I, R I D I U M. Capital I R I D I U M. Okay, iridium. And that's 77, and you got oxygen. Where's my pen? And you got oxygen, which is 8, not 6. See, that's carbon. See, if I didn't, that's 8. That's 8, not 6. Okay, for atomic number. Okay, then you got Onych, and then with the O, onical. See, so you got Onych, and then you got onical, okay? And that means nails, 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 like your fingernails, okay? You got the O for oxygen, atomic number, capital N, 7 for nitrogen, Y, 39 for yttrium, and yttrium is spelled Y, capital Y, Ttrium. And then you got C again for carbon, capital C for carbon, and you got capital H1 for atomic number 1 for hydrogen, and you got capital O, 8 atomic number for oxygen. And then you got here, this right here. All this is going to be written down in the description box below. Okay, there you go for now. Okay, I'll leave it at that for now. I hope you understand this. I want to clarify it for you and simplify it more in the description box below. Okay, so go there. This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out. Have a good day.